Here's the news of the day for April 29th of 2025.
Vita Inclinata CEO Caleb Carr joins the Software in Defense Coalition Board, aiming to help lower barriers for startups and boost tech-driven innovation in US defense strategy.
The Italian Army received its first UH-169D light utility helicopter, part of a 25-unit modernization plan, enhancing multi-role capabilities and interoperability with advanced tech and NATO-compliant systems.
Piasecki Aircraft acquired Command's KARGO UAV program, a compact autonomous cargo drone proven in military trials, to scale production for defense and commercial use from its Pennsylvania facility.
Aviation has announced the global rollout of Gannet, an advanced aircraft maintenance software developed by London Software to streamline maintenance operations and enhance safety and efficiency across its international fleet.
Heroes Kajbaruni, founder of Heroes Incorporated, has been honoured with the FAA's Charles Taylor Master Mechanic Award, recognising over 50 years of outstanding dedication to aviation maintenance and safety.
Bell and Boeing mark the final CV-22 Osprey build for the U.S. Air Force, celebrating the program's shift from full production to fleet sustainment and future upgrades.
Joby Aviation completed its first piloted transition from hover to cruise and back, marking a major milestone toward FAA testing and commercial air taxi service in Dubai.
Gamma Aviation gained approval for Cessna Citation 560XL XLS maintenance in Bournemouth, expanding its mid-size jet services beyond turboprops to better support UK and European charter fleets.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.